So this is my first video ever, and today I'll be doing a get ready with me. Yeah, so let's get going. Excuse my hair because normally it is basically jet straight, but yesterday night I was in the mood and feeling a bit frisky that I put braids everywhere, and now I kind of look like a witch. But hey, it's nearly October, so I'm ready for Halloween. As specified, I'm going to get ready. I have already prepped and primed my face, so if you're like, oh, she hasn't put any SPF on, it's because I already have prior to this video, and I did not film it because
I don't know why. I really can't tell.
Anyway, I usually start off with my eyes, and I go in with a concealer, and it really depends on what I'm kind of feeling on the day. It's winter now. Well, it's winter is coming. I'm currently going to be wearing the Glossier stretch concealer, and my color is, oh well, this is the old packaging, so it doesn't really say on the back. It says medium moyen 20, so yeah, I think the colour is slightly off, but I had bought this, as you can see it's like basically finished, but I had bought this when there used to be a fewer range of colours in their kind of makeup collection. Yeah, so let's start off with that. I've already primed my eyelids and all of that, so don't sue me. I just realised I have no clue where my makeup brush is. The perks of being a messy person. Yes, I never know where anything is. Right now I'm using an Eco Tools brush. It's usually for eyeshadows, so we've got the shade section, which is this one, and this is the define section. Okay, the camera will not focus, but in the arms of the angel, fly away. Let's just go. So, as TikTok has told me, you only put concealer in certain sections to give you that facelift, you know? And that is what I am doing right now. So I'm just gonna pat that in there.
As I previously said, it is becoming winter season.
And my eyelids do get really dry, and just my face in general gets really dry. Nothing we can do about that, unfortunately. So I don't really powder my eyes. If you can tell, like, I'm really not
A makeup guru.
But in order to leave the house, I need to wear something, because otherwise we'll be looking a bit ratchet, I'm not gonna lie. So some of you may be thinking that my under eyelids aren't really that dark, but that's because I've been having a good night's sleep, and because I'm back doing my uni course, so I have a timetable now, and I am no longer just freakishly sleeping when I want and waking up and not really knowing what time it is. So yeah, there's that. And just to finish it off, I always kind of like pat it in. Okay, enough of that. Sorry, my voice is going through a midlife crisis right now. Lip products, so I don't really know what I'm trying to go for. I'm guessing more of a natural lip. Yeah, I'm gonna go with more natural lip. Alright, so I'm going to be using the Glossier Generation G lipstick. I don't really consider this a lipstick. I think it's more of like a lip, not a lip tint either. Kind of, I don't know, I really can't. And the colour or the shade is in Cake. If you want to see what it kind of looks like, this is when you intensely pound it on the skin. That sounded really bad. I actually really love the Generation G lipsticks because they're just so simple and effortless. Like, I'm not really a makeup person. I don't have those delicate hands to do like cut edges. I don't have those delicate hands to do like cut edges. That's not what I meant. What I meant was cut creases. Oh god. Oh lord. So yeah, and I just really like this colour. I think Cake, it was probably the second colour I bought. I bought also Like and Jam, which are also really nice colours. Until recently, I had been using Jam a lot, which is this one, and this one's Like, and this one's Cake. And I just thought that it looked really nice, but I think because of autumn, this shade, Cake, looks a bit better. I don't know, it could be just me. So I'm going to use the Cream Fenty Beauty Cheeks Out in the colour Petal Poppin'. I usually like to go in with my hands. Don't worry, I always sanitize before putting my fingers in my makeup products, so this is what it looks like. And
I just pat it in.
And then I kind of just go on top of the cheek, you know?
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Oh god, it's looking a bit crazy, but it's okay. Always do your makeup in natural light, okay? Because it's when you go out, you tend to see the difference of someone who has done makeup in natural light and who hasn't. Because we can be looking like clowns sometimes. I'm telling you from experience. So there, we've got that little kind of blossom look. I am looking kind of pale, but then again, can I be blamed? Because of quarantine, I've been here and nothing else in this room. So I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty Cream Cheeks Out bronzer in the shade Macchiato. A square brush. And I know that people have been saying that you should really do your bronzer like higher, so not exactly where you're, I'm kind of looking snatched, I'm not gonna lie. I am kind of looking snatched. A bit of bronzer can go a long way for my face, like, it makes me look like I've got, yeah, look at that. So the thing I like about this one is, especially for the winter season, it's very creamy, as you can tell, cream. So it keeps it like hydrated and you don't look like a ghost, if you know what I'm saying. Now I'm gonna go in with, what am I gonna go in with? Colour Slide from Glossier, Play line, and the colour is black. Oh, one side is a bit more intense than I thought. Ooh. So yeah, that is all I do to the eyelids. Now I'm gonna go in with highlight. So I've got two favourite highlights. I've got obviously the NARS Copacabana, bear with me, I cannot pronounce it, and it's just a stick. And then I've got the Glossier Play Night and Shine Highlighter Concentrate in Pale Pearl. Now this one is far better than the Haloscope highlighter, which, excuse my language, is trash and garbage. On this side, highlighter on this side. Can you just see how effortlessly nice this highlighter is? Like, and the great thing about this highlighter, it just doesn't cast a shadow. Look at that goddamn highlighter. Oh. And then for my nose, I use this one because it's just simpler. I'm going in with the lip gloss. Oh my god. Hello. I just love the finish of this gloss. Like, it just, everything about Glossier is really effortless. Yeah, so what I do with my brows is I don't know how to style brows. So I just brush them up and hope that they give me something. Then it's time for the hair wise and just everything in general. I think I'm gonna also change shirts.